Anyone can play better golf when they have great tips like these. While the professional sport of golfing lacks the violence and noise of team sports, like hockey and football, it does challenge its players to combine their sustained physical power with careful calculations and intense concentration. To get a leg up on your competition, check out this selection of golfing tips and tricks. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is that it is good to know that there will always be somebody better than you. This is important because you do not want to be dealt a crushing mental blow if you are competing and find yourself outmatched. Golf is a mental game that requires much preparation. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to make sure that you wear relaxing clothing that enables you to move freely. This is important because if any part of your swing is impeded by your clothing, you will not be in your best form. Make sure that it also is not too loose, so that you do not risk getting caught up in your shirt during your swing. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to read up on all of the rules and regulations before going on the course. This will help to prevent possible embarrassment and uncomfortable situations that might arise otherwise. There is plenty of information online or in books to assist you. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to get a good background in all of the terms that are used. This is important so that you can hold intelligent conversations with people about golf and not only come across as being well versed, but also give yourself the opportunity to learn more. Learn how to play golf. This is not only a fun and rewarding sport, but in the business world it is an acceptable way to meet and communicate with clients and coworkers. You may lose out on a lot of connections if you do not feel comfortable enough to go out on the course. When getting ready for a shot, make sure that you're keeping your chin and head up. Let your arms hang naturally, maintain minimal knee bend and bend your elbows slightly inward. These tips will help you find the stance that is the best for you and the alignment to make the best shot. A timeless game like golf has much to offer in the way of problem solving, focus, and movement. It is a sport with a distinguished history and a roster of colorful characters and cultural connotations. The next time you prepare to tee off, remember the information that you have just read and consider how you can use it to improve your game. This one secret, dead simple move, is so powerful and easy to learn, you'll start hitting powerful, accurate, flush golf shots in minutes. Visit secretgolfhack.com to learn all of this and more. Ben Hogan's real golf swing secret, that he took to his grave, is finally discovered. And it's unlike anything you've ever seen before. Visit secretgolfhack.com to discover the secret and more. Link in the description.